Template is designed to efficiently handle routine activities and receipt splitting. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a template and generate transaction. I will add a template to speed up my daily entries on working day. Let's go to the template menu by selecting Book and Transaction. Click the Add button for the new transaction menu. Click Add New to add a new template. Enter name Working Day. Select icon and color. Click Add New to add template details. Click Category and select Regular Meals and Lunch. Click Account and select Cash. Click the tick button on top right corner. Do the same for dinner with Citibank credit card. And public transit transportation with Citibank credit card for $10. Click the Save button on the top right corner. Now I have a template on the list. To generate transactions with the template, click the new template for generation. Click Lunch, enter 8 with the keypad and click the tick button. Do the same for dinner with $12. The spending on public transit is the same for today, so just leave it untouched. Click the Generate button on the top right corner. I have 3 transactions created with just entering 2 amounts. With this template, the time I spend on daily recording is minimal. Now I will show you another example to handle receipt splitting with tax calculation. Add a new template with name Supermarket. The template simply consists of 2 items, food and personal products. Since we have default expense nature and default account setup in the categories, we do not have to specify again. This is the example I used in tutorial Accelerate Transaction Entry. There are 3 items in the supermarket receipt. I will have to split it into 2 transactions. Each should have its own tax amount. With the template I have just created, the receipt can be handled easily. On the list of templates, click Supermarket. Click Food, enter 10 plus 20. Click Tax, equals, tick. Click Personal Products, enter 40. Click Tax, equals, tick. On the generation screen, the amount to be generated for each category is shown. You can easily match the amount to be generated with the receipt amount. Click the Generate button on the top right corner. The receipt was registered with 2 transactions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you require additional information, you can find detailed documentation in the app menu's help section.